Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about how to enable dark mode on Instagram. So for you to be able to enable dark mode on Instagram, you have to tap on your profile picture, tap on the three dots at the right corner of your screen, search for accessibility. Okay, under your app and media, you'll see accessibility. Tap on it, tap on dark mode, tap on the toggle on in order to make it to be on dark mode. So guys, that is it on how to enable dark mode on Instagram. If this video is helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.